Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Char. On this lovely Sunday, I come to you with a beautiful apple tart that I got from Trader Joe's. We're going to have this for our Sunday meal. After we eat, we'll have a nice dessert, and this is the Rustic apple tart, and this one is made with cream cheese and it has almonds on top, so I'm really surprised about that. Never had almonds mixed with apples, so I'm excited about trying that. And this is the instructions, and this is the title of the tart, and that is what the box looked like, just in case you're interested in maybe going to the store and buying one. This is what it looks like, and I'm about to cook it on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, you guys. And as soon as it's done, I will show you the finished product and do a taste test. Okay, so stay tuned. That's what it looks like so far, and it looks really good. Look at the crust. I want you guys to see how the crust looks. And if you want, you can do a milk wash on this, or you can do an egg white wash or egg wash if you want. I'm just going to put it in as is just to see how it all comes together for the 20 and 25 minutes. If it cooked longer, then I would do a milk or egg wash, but we're going to see what it looks like, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is it completely done, and it looks so wonderful. Didn't put anything on the outside of the crust, and mommy's going to cut her a piece, and I'm just going to take a little taste of it. So there we go. Oops, it broke up a little bit, but that's what it looks like, you guys. And we're gonna put it there and get mommy her crust. And that's what it looks like. Mommy, you want to taste it? I'm gonna do a little taste. Looks like it has cream cheese in there. Is it good? You think anything with sugar is good?
Honey, I'm gonna slap you down.
Okay, so this is it that good? Okay,
Sure.
This is what the crust looks like at the bottom.
Tart.
Mommy says it's tart. So I'm just gonna break that up just so y'all can see the inside. You can see there's cream cheese right in there. And so I'm gonna go in for a little taste. Try to get a little bit of apple and everything. There we go. Let me taste it. Oh wow. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Super amazing. I really don't taste the cream cheese much. I'm gonna get some of this crust. It's not a real cream cheese like you thought it was gonna be, like, oh, really cream cheese. It's tart and sweet in that crust. Let's see how that crust looks. You guys can see that it is really good. 2 thumbs up for that, you guys. I like it. 2 thumbs up. Okay, you guys, so that was the Rustic apple tart. The apples were very tart with sweet, very good. Didn't taste the cream cheese as much, but it gave it a creamy texture in the inside, and also it had that like little bit of sugar, sanding sugar on the edges of the crust. It was really good, very delicious. I recommend it if you're throwing a Friendsgiving dinner party and you don't have time to do a dessert, honey. You run to your nearest Trader Joe's and grab this Rustic apple pie tart. It will be a hit. All you need is just a dollop of ice cream or whipped cream, and it is ready to go. It is so delicious, and the crust was amazing. So you guys go check it out if you're interested, and that is the Trader Joe's Rustic apple pie tart, and I think it was under $5, which is always a good deal. Trader Joe's always has great deals, and you guys, it was delicious. My family loved it. So if you've tried this, let me know below if this was your first time ever trying it, and did you like it, or if you get it every year and you serve it to your guests or your family. How do you like it? Please put that down below so that other readers can see just how delicious this tart is. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and also, you guys, hit that bell. Every time I upload a new video, it lets you know, hey, Journey with Char just uploaded a new video. Okay, stay tuned for more to come from Trader Joe's, and also from me, Journey with Char. Now I'm about to go and watch a Hallmark movie, y'all. These movies, Lifetime, Hallmark, Up, they got me going. All right, you guys, so I'll see you soon. Stay tuned and happy baking. Bye-bye.